Homeowners searching for slider windows. Des Allemands, LA, often want a practical upgrade that improves comfort, curb appeal, and everyday ventilation. In Des Allemands, LA, slider window installation. Des Allemands services are popular because horizontal sliding windows. Des Allemands are easy to operate, simple to clean, and ideal for residential slider windows. Des Allemands in both classic and modern homes. Whether you need new slider windows, Des Allemands for a renovation, or full home window upgrades, a local window company can recommend the right fit for your property. Energy savings matter in southern Louisiana, which is why energy-efficient slider windows Des Allemands continue to be a top choice for homes in the Gulf Coast region. An energy-efficient slider window company, Des Allemands LA, can help you select insulated slider windows, high-performance slider windows, Des Allemands Louisiana homes benefit from, and insulated sliding windows for homes in Des Allemands LA that reduce drafts, support indoor comfort, and help manage cooling costs during hot and humid seasons. For many households, vinyl slider windows Des Allemands also offer low maintenance and reliable long-term value. Storm protection is a major concern for local property owners, making hurricane-resistant slider windows Des Allemands an important investment. Homeowners throughout Des Allemands, Louisiana, often ask for storm-ready slider windows. Des Allemands Hurricane Impact Slider Windows. Des Allemands, Louisiana, and storm-resistant slider window installation Des Allemands Gulf Coast area services, because strong weather demands stronger window systems. A trusted window contractor, Des Allemands, can help evaluate frame strength, glass durability, and installation methods to support better protection during storm season in St. Charles Parish and nearby communities. Customization is another major advantage for local homeowners who want a window system that fits their property perfectly. Custom slider windows. Des Allemands and custom horizontal sliding windows. Des Allemands, Louisiana are available in a variety of dimensions, frame colors, glass packages, and operating styles. For homes with unique openings, custom-sized slider windows. Des Allemands, St. John the Baptist vicinity, provide a tailored solution that supports performance and architectural consistency. A skilled sliding window installation company, Des Allemands, can measure precisely and install each unit to meet the home's exact needs. For those prioritizing value, affordable slider windows Des Allemands deliver an excellent balance of performance and cost. Many families searching for affordable slider windows Des Allemands want dependable options that look good, resist wear, and remain easy to maintain. Vinyl slider window installation. Des Allemands, LA 730, is often a preferred route because vinyl frames resist moisture, require little upkeep, and work well in Louisiana's climate. Choosing the right window company helps ensure affordability does not come at the expense of quality. Window design matters just as much as performance, and horizontal layouts remain a favorite in this area. Double slider windows. Des Allemands are a flexible option for larger openings. While two-panel slider windows, Des Allemands offer a clean and streamlined look for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and common areas. These residential slider windows Des Allemands are popular in both traditional Bayou homes and updated properties near Lake Salvador, Bayou Gauche, and Paradis. Homeowners seeking modern style often turn to a modern slider window company near Paradis and Des Allemands LA for sleek, functional upgrades. Choosing the right professionals makes all the difference when planning any window project. The best slider window services in Des Allemands LA come from a window contractor Des Allemands with local experience, dependable scheduling, and knowledge of building needs throughout St. Charles Parish and nearby Louisiana communities. Whether you need sliding glass window service Des Allemands, new slider windows Des Allemands, or double slider window replacement near Bayou Gauche and Des Allemands, a qualified team can guide you through product selection, installation, repair, and long-term support. Working with a reputable window company means getting dependable service from start to finish.